Hi mga artmates! Tara, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng project. Mag-recycle at mag-paint. So let's start! First, we need an old pillowcase and a scissor. Then, cut. Now we have an Ecobag. What should I draw? Aha! An old jar or vase ng sinaunang Pilipino. Now it's time to trace! I'm drawing Banga sa Manunggul. Familiar ba kayo dito? Ito ang jar na ginagawang coffin ng mga sinuunang tao sa Manunggul, Palawan. Meron siyang design ng waves at a boat. It represents pagtawid sa ilog papunta kabilang buhay. Siyempre, may bangka kasi may ilog. At meron pang tagahatid. Medyo creepy, no? Pero that's the story behind Manunggul jar. Okay, it's time to paint. Let's pick colors. Let's take green, blue for waves, purple for shadows, orange for the boat, and yellow ochre for the human. Let's get started! Choices ko lang po to parang colorful. Water plus color equals watercolor! Red lang po natin. Uy, serious ka naman dito? Yay! Okay, patayin lang po natin. So the next color is color blue for the waves. Lagyan ko na rin po ng konting designs. Dami ko po kasing nakuha ang color na blue Now I'm adding purple for shadows and details. Pupunayin ko lang po yung mga spaces na to Paint. Ayan. So, patayuin na lang po natin. The next is boat. Ayan na. Yay! And yellow ochre for the humans. Yes! Okay, lagyan ko na lang po ng mga shadows and details. Over na! Uy, thank you, green car.
Bilisan mo na, gagawa na tayo ng bagong season.
Ay, oo nga pala. Sige, bilisan ko lang Ay na, konting details na lang po. Matatapos na. Konting details and shadows. Almost done. Ay na. Wow naman, parang buko tong may sombrero Lagyan ko na nga lang ng mga dots para kanwari luma. Ay na, konting details and boom! It's done! Yes! Okay, tuyo na po siya. And ligpitan time. O ano, Stormtrooper, maganda ba?
Oo naman.
Okay, it's testing. Testing time. Wait lang. Ayun na. Lagay po ang boots. Ayun na. Approve! Success!
Soon after.
So, it's done guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell notification button. See you next time. Bye-bye!